If your rose plant is growing slowly, producing small flowers, or not blooming at all, you're not alone. Most people think roses are difficult to grow. They think roses need expensive fertilizers, special soil, or professional gardening skills. But here's the truth. In places like England, Italy, the Netherlands, Japan, and California, gardeners grow huge, beautiful rose plants using very simple tricks that most beginners don't know. Today, I'm going to show you 7 hidden tricks that can make your rose plant grow up to 5 times faster, produce more flowers, and become healthier than ever. And make sure you watch till the end, because the last trick is used by professional flower growers, and most home gardeners completely ignore it. Let's start. Trick 1. Banana peel fertilizer hack. Let me start with something very interesting. In Kerala, India, many home gardeners never throw away banana peels. Instead, they use them for their rose plants. Why? Because banana peels are full of potassium, and potassium is extremely important for flowers. It helps plants develop strong roots, bigger buds, and more blooms. Most rose plants grow slowly because the soil does not have enough potassium. So instead of buying expensive fertilizer, gardeners simply use banana peels. They either dry the peels and turn them into a fine powder that can be mixed directly into the soil, or they soak the peels in water for a day, and then use that nutrient-rich water to feed the plant. What most people throw into the trash can actually turn your rose plant into a flower-producing machine. Trick 2. Deep watering method. Now this trick comes from California, USA, where gardeners grow roses in dry conditions and still get amazing results. Most beginners make a big mistake. They water their plants a little bit every day. This is wrong. When you water lightly every day, roots stay near the surface and the plant becomes weak. But when you water deeply, roots grow deeper into the soil and the plant becomes stronger and grows faster. Professional gardeners use deep watering method. They water only 2 to 3 times per week, but each time they water deeply so that moisture reaches the lower roots. This makes the plant stronger, healthier, faster growing, and more drought resistant. So remember this line: water less often but water deeply. This one change alone can dramatically improve your rose plant growth. Trick 3. Pruning at the right time. Now we go to London, England, where some of the world's most beautiful rose gardens exist. There is one secret that English gardeners always follow: pruning at the right time. Many people are scared to cut their rose plant, but here's the truth. Cutting your rose plant at the right time actually makes it grow faster. When you prune, dead branches are removed, the plant focuses its energy on new growth, more branches appear and more flowers bloom. The best time to prune roses is late winter or early spring. After pruning, you will often see new growth within a few weeks, and the plant becomes bushier and healthier. Pruning is not harming the plant. Pruning is telling the plant to grow more. Trick 4. Epsom salt boost. This trick is very popular in Florida gardening communities. If your rose plant has yellow leaves, weak stems, slow growth, or very few flowers, then your plant might be lacking magnesium. This is where Epsom salt comes in. Epsom salt contains magnesium, which helps plants produce chlorophyll and grow faster. Gardeners usually mix a small amount into water and feed the plant every few weeks, or lightly add it to the soil and water it in. This helps produce greener leaves, stronger stems, more flowers, and faster growth. Many gardeners say Epsom salt is like a vitamin drink for plants. Trick 5. Sunlight positioning trick. Now let's go to Italy, especially Tuscany, where roses are grown in beautiful garden landscapes. Italian gardeners follow one very important rule. Rose plants must get 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. But here is the important part. Morning sunlight is better than afternoon sunlight. Morning sun is gentle, while afternoon sun can be too harsh. Morning light helps the plant perform photosynthesis more efficiently, which leads to faster and healthier growth. If your rose plant is not growing, sometimes the problem is not water, not fertilizer, and not soil. The problem is location. Move your plant to a place where it gets good morning sunlight, and you might see a huge difference. Even perfect fertilizer will not work if the plant is in the wrong spot. Trick 6. Coffee ground secret. This trick comes from Seattle, USA, where coffee culture is huge, and gardeners reuse coffee grounds for plants. Used coffee grounds contain nitrogen and organic matter, which help improve soil quality and boost plant growth. Gardeners usually dry the used coffee grounds and mix a small amount into the soil. This improves soil texture, helps retain moisture, and provides nutrients that encourage faster leaf and stem growth. So next time you drink coffee, don't throw the leftovers away. Your morning coffee can secretly feed your plants. Trick 7. Air circulation and spacing. Now we go to the Netherlands, especially Amsterdam, where flower farms grow millions of flowers every year. One secret they always follow is simple: plants need space and air. Many people plant roses too close together. When plants are overcrowded, air cannot circulate properly, leaves stay damp, diseases spread easily, and growth becomes slow. Professional growers always maintain proper spacing so air can move freely between plants. Good airflow means stronger stems, fewer diseases, faster growth, and a much healthier plant. Sometimes the reason your plant is not growing is simply because it cannot breathe. Now here is a bonus trick used in Japan, especially in urban gardening in Tokyo. Professional gardeners make something called compost tea, which is created by soaking compost in water for a day or two, and then using that liquid as a natural fertilizer. This liquid is rich in nutrients and beneficial microorganisms that improve soil health and boost plant growth naturally. Many Japanese gardeners prefer natural methods, and this is one of their powerful secrets for fast and healthy plant growth. So now you know the truth. Roses don't grow fast because of luck. They grow fast because of small, smart tricks. If you follow these methods, your rose plant will grow faster, become bushier, produce more flowers, and stay healthy for a long time. Remember this line: growing roses faster is not about doing more, it's about doing the right things at the right time. Start using these tricks, and in a few weeks, you might not even recognize your rose plant anymore.